The new addition to my garden sanctuary, Dinosaur Fossil. Veranda block retaining wall blocks from Lowe's. On top I have a place to put my bonsais. Makes a really nice addition to my patio. Sometimes you come across something that is so unique that it becomes a focal point in your garden. It becomes something that an entire garden area revolves around. This is an object I picked up, oh my gosh, 25 years ago. It's a concrete replica of a dinosaur fossil. It was made by a company based out of Chicago that made things like concrete hollow boulders that you would put over a well cap or a septic vent. I had it in my garden up north, which has fallen into a bit of disrepair. So I thought I'd move it to Snowbird Gardens South here. I have an area that I've never been too terribly excited about, and that's this area. Give you a better overall view. This is in my sanctuary. This is on the patio in my sanctuary. I tend to sit in that chair at the end of my day and relax and chill. And so this is right in front of me, right? I see this every day. I've never been too terribly excited about this area. I mean, the upper part is very nice. It's very ornate and very nice. You look at the peacock statue in the background. I have my bonsai sitting on the table, which, because I just got back from up north, are a little bit hurting right now, and they need a little bit of recuperation time. But the area below it has just become a place to slide some plants. It's rather unsightly. There's a couple things that are growing there, but not much. Everything else in my landscape is made of veranda block. But this particular spot just has cinder blocks. Treated 2x6s sitting on cinder blocks, and it's not very attractive. So I'm going to redo this area and incorporate the dinosaur fossil into it. And I think this is going to really pop. This is going to be a very nice focal point for my patio sanctuary. All right, so here we are. I have the base in. This is the most difficult part of the project for me. It takes me forever to get this fairly level. It's level both this way and this way. Mostly level. I'm going to be using construction adhesive, because I'm very much a construction adhesive experienced kind of a person, and I have zero experience brick and mortar. I have a couple different blocks that I'm going to be using. I have the veranda block that I got from Lowe's, just like every place else in my landscape. Backing the dinosaur fossil will be cinder blocks, which will be glued together. And we'll see how this goes. Stay tuned. And here it is, the completed project. Hey, there's a dinosaur fossil in my backyard. Really makes a big change for the patio.